I've got this Deus one with a low frequency coil out here. We're going to talk about bottle caps, okay? You see that bottle cap there? But right now we've got a dime on this box. We're going to show the dime behavior first with this detector, okay? Now, sweeping across the center, you get a nice tone. Okay, you start backing the coil up to the edge. Hear how nice that sounds? Same on the other end of the coil. Okay, you see that dime in that meter there? Let me lay that bottle cap down there. You see that meter there? 91. That's at 18 kilohertz. Now, I've got the ID unnormalized, okay? And you get over here in configuration. Hit the option key on the top left, configuration. You'll go down to profile. Scroll down to profile, hit select. ID norm is, it says no, so it's off, okay? So we're gonna go back here and look at this dime. 91 for the ID, notice that. Okay, now, ID norm being off, as we transition down in frequency on this machine, we're gonna go down to 8 kilohertz. Notice the ID now is lower, okay? And if we go to 4 kilohertz, it will get even lower. Look at that, 73, okay? Now, I'm going to get back out of here, go back to 18 kilohertz. We're going to go over here, hit the option key again, configuration, profile. Okay, we're at profile. ID norm, it says no. We're going to toggle now. We're going to leave that alone. Toggle down here to graphic. We're going to hit the plus key and go over to XY screen. Okay, now here's the dime. You see that straight line on there? Now there's a way to change your zoom on this. But see that straight line going from the left lower quarter to the top right quarter? That would indicate most times a non-ferrous target on this coil, okay? So now we're going to get out of this, turn the graphic back to the horseshoe, okay? And we're still at 18 kilohertz. We're going to trade this dime out for this bottle cap. Now, not all bottle caps are going to read the same ID. And that depends on what kind of bottle cap and how rusty. Okay, so there's not a uniform ID on a bottle cap. But this bottle cap here, we're going to look at it. See that ID in the window there? 86, 87. So all we're going to do is we're going to transition back down here. 4 kilohertz. And look at this thing. Look at that. It reads the same, don't it? Didn't do like that dime, did it? So that's one of your little clues there. You've got a bottle cap on this coil. Okay? A coin won't do that. A coin will go down in ID. I'm going to go back here to 18 kilohertz. Okay. Now, let's look at the behavior of this coil. Okay, that's the center of that bottle cap. I've got the iron volume on this machine. Hear that? Listen. As the edge of that coil gets close to that bottle cap, it sounds wonky. You hear that iron tone coming in there, okay? And as you ease the coil forward, you start getting a mix of iron tone, and when you get in the center, you lose the iron tone. Now, we'll go back in here again, configuration. We're going down to ID norm. We're going to leave it alone, graphic. Going back to the XY screen, okay? The XY screen. You're going to see a curlicue come in that screen, okay? It's not a straight, clean line, okay? That signifies there's a ferrous component to that target, okay? Now, this XY screen on real deep stuff don't help you much, okay? But bottle caps generally 2-3 inches deep. You'll see the trace on this screen here is out of whack, okay? We'll even flip this bottle cap over. You see it's a polluted signal, okay? polluted signature on that screen. Now, you get into sites with a lot of modern trash and nails and stuff, you can have trouble. This is not a foolproof way to ID every bottle cap, okay? But you can set up adjacent program in your machine to your hunt program where you can just toggle. And you can look at it, okay? If you want to look at the ID in a different frequency, say you want to hunt in 12 kilohertz, and you set your adjacent program up in 4. You're in a park and you get a signal reading 94 or whatever. You switch to 4 kilohertz and you sweep that thing, and if it's still reading about the same as it was in that higher frequency, well, you'll know something ain't right. And you're probably not going to dig a non-ferrous coin, okay? And that's just from doing tests. That's from my actual use of this machine. I've used one of these machines here a lot. You know, this machine right here with this low frequency coil is still a very good detector, okay? A lot of people just, even though these new ones just come out, this thing right here is still very impressive. So maybe this will help the gentleman out over there on Friendly Forum who was having trouble with bottle caps in a park.